little fox.
About GMOs. Farming might not seem like a high-tech business. Farmers plant seeds, water them, and let the plants grow. Then the crops are harvested, and the food eventually gets to our tables. But thanks to genetic engineering, farming has become high-tech. With genetic engineering, scientists can change the genes of living things. This technology lets scientists create plants and animals that better meet the needs of humans. Genes control the characteristics of living things, determining features such as color, size, and appearance. Scientists have learned a lot about modifying genes in recent years. But humans have actually been modifying plants and animals for much longer. Early cultures bred animals with useful traits, hoping the animal's offspring would inherit these traits. This process is called selective breeding. Using it, humans produced stronger and faster horses, as well as sheep with more wool. Selective breeding also created new types of fruits and vegetables. Even many popular dog breeds are the product of selective breeding. Selective breeding works well, but it's slow and limited. Modern genetic engineering is faster and lets scientists achieve many more results. Scientists can change a species' characteristics by editing its genes. This can mean deleting genes that control unwanted characteristics or transferring genes from another species. An organism, or living thing, that is modified this way is known as a GMO. GMO stands for Genetically Modified Organism. GMOs can be used to help the environment. For example, scientists are working on modifying pigs to produce less pollution from their poop. Another GMO is a tree modified for paper making. Making paper from this tree requires fewer chemicals and less energy. Genetic engineering is a big help to farmers growing crops for food as well. Scientists have found a way to protect bananas from a deadly disease by using a gene found in green peppers. This gene protects the peppers from the disease. Scientists can transfer the gene to bananas. The modified bananas are then resistant to the disease. GMO crops can also be made resistant to insects. Farmers don't have to use as many pesticides with these crops. This is a big advantage for farmers who can't afford pesticides. It also lets farmers avoid using dangerous chemicals. And that keeps more chemicals out of the environment. In many places in the world, water is limited. Scientists can create GMO crops that need less water. Other crops can be designed to produce more food on less land. This could help feed the world's growing population without using more land. GMOs have health benefits as well. Scientists have engineered beef cattle that are resistant to disease. Other foods can be engineered to have more nutrients. And GMOs can even be used to make medicines more effective and less expensive. With genetic engineering, many things can be improved, and the possibilities are endless. All scientists need are the right genes to make longer-lasting, better-tasting, and more nutritious foods. This sounds like great news, but genetic engineering is still a new technology. Its consequences aren't completely understood. GMOs could pose risks. People might develop allergies to GMO foods. GMOs themselves could also show unexpected results. They could grow faster or slower or differently than expected. GMO crops could spread their genes to other plants in the wild. This could cause changes in the environment. Many people are opposed to GMOs for these reasons. Some countries have completely banned them, while others have laws that control their use. In many places, GMOs must be clearly labeled. Even in countries where they are allowed, local governments sometimes write laws to ban them. Many people will only buy food labeled non-GMO. These people often oppose GMOs for reasons beyond safety. Some believe it is wrong for humans to change nature in this way. Or they worry that companies who own GMOs will have too much control over the world's food supply. So far, the GMOs that have been developed seem safe. GMOs have the potential to be a great benefit to humans. But they also have the potential to create future problems. There is still a long way to go before the technology and its effects are fully understood.